Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how I made this crochet keychain bouquet, and for this project you will need these materials. And if you don't want to buy 100 gram per color, you can just simply DM me for the customization and I will help you with the colors that you need. Now we are moving to make a wrap. For this, make a slip knot. Here I am showing you how I made a slip knot. After this, make 22 chains. After making 22 chains, skip the first 6 chains and slip stitch into the 7th one. Now chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Skip the first 2 chains and slip stitch into the 3rd one. Repeat this pattern of chain 4 and skip the 2 chains, slip stitch into the 3rd one up to the end of the first round. Now for the second round, chain 4, turn your work and slip stitch into the space that we created in round 1. From round 2 to round 8, we are going to repeat this pattern. So chain 4 and slip stitch into the space that we created in the last round. For round 9, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work and slip stitch into the space that we created. After making the last slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now hide the yarn tail with the help of needle. Our bouquet wrap is ready. We are moving to the flowers. For the flowers, I am using 2 mm hook, make a magic ring and 10 single crochet into the magic ring. Then slip stitch into the first one and close the loop. For the petal, we are going to make 3 chains. Add 2 double crochet in the next stitch. I am making the first one and also the second one in the same stitch. Now chain 3 and slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat this pattern for the petal. After making the last slip stitch, just chain 1 and cut the yarn. For this bouquet we need 3 flowers, so make 2 more. For this stem, leave a long yarn tail, then make a slip knot. Now hold the both yarn tail just like I'm showing in this video. After this, place your hook below the first strand and above the second one. Pull the second strand and make a single crochet. So below, above, pull and single crochet. Below, above, pull, single crochet. After last single crochet, cut the yarn. Now I am making middle part of the flower. For this, chain 3 slip stitch into the first chain. Attach the middle part into flower. Our flowers are ready. Thank you for watching this video. I made this bouquet in 2 colors, and if you made this bouquet, then please tag me or mention me in the comments. Bye bye.